In this video, you'll learn how to download the Bitget wallet on your PC. By the end of this tutorial, you will have the wallet installed and ready for use, enabling you to manage your cryptocurrency effectively. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Bitget exchange homepage. You can do this by entering the Bitget URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface, which features various options related to crypto trading. Next, locate the section labeled Beyond Crypto on the homepage. This is typically found in the header area. Click on this section to explore additional features and options available on the platform. This action will redirect you to a new page specifically designed for Bitget services. After that, look for the download drop-down menu. This is usually positioned prominently on the page, often in the upper section. Clicking on this drop-down will reveal various options related to downloading the Bitget wallet for different platforms. Now select the option labeled Other Options from the drop-down menu. This choice will take you to a new screen that presents further details about the wallet and its functionalities. Here you will find a message indicating that Bitget is your one-stop crypto trading platform. Once this information is displayed, look for the button labeled Download Client. Clicking this button initiates the download process for the wallet application. It is essential to ensure that your internet connection is stable during this process to avoid interruptions. Following this, you will be prompted to select your operating system. Click on the option labeled Windows to download the Windows version of the Bitget wallet. The download should begin automatically, and you will see a progress indicator showing the download status. Finally, once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder and locate the Bitget wallet installation file. Double-click on the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation, and ensure you have sufficient storage space on your device to accommodate the application. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.